Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here and do like a quick kind of a hair update video. It's kind of early, but the reason I'm doing this is because I'm having a little bit of a dilemma. I'm kind of wondering if I need to restart my starter locks. Not happy about it, and the only reason I'm thinking about doing that is because this month, which is supposed to be my second month, I am dealing with a ton of unraveling, and I relate all of that to me starting them without any product. During my first Loc Journey, I did use a product. I unintentionally used shea butter. You know, I didn't know any better, but I knew that's what worked on my hair, and so I used it because I was sealing in moisture. But I didn't have any problems with unraveling. But over time, I had problems with buildup. Because of the buildup that I had, I was hesitant to start this set with any product. And because of that, now I'm dealing with unraveling. Now, if it were just like 1 or 2 locks, even if it were 7, it wouldn't be a big deal to me. But I'm finding during the second month of this Loc Journey that I am having to retwist a whole bunch of them every single day. Hey guys, so as you can see, I did take down my starter locks. I just have these big old twists in there right now. I decided to just bite the bullet and take them down and start over because I could not deal with the constant unraveling. I did stop at Walmart yesterday and I picked up something called Black Castor Miracle. It's a braid lock and twist gel. It looks like that. Whoops. We'll see how this goes. That's why I love locks, because you can do so many cool styles with them with little effort. It's just, especially when they're mature. Whew, I can't wait to get back to that stage. It's so fun. I really do enjoy having locks. I miss my first set of locks. I kind of regret cutting them, but then I don't, because I remember how unhealthy they were. And then on top of that, I bleached them, and so for me, I felt like the right choice was to just go ahead and chop them off and start anew. I'm definitely going to make sure I pay better attention to my locks and my body overall. You know, I wasn't my healthiest. I wasn't taking care of myself, and so from head to toe, I was just an unhealthy woman. So I'm reclaiming my life back. I'm reclaiming my happiness, my mental health. You know, trying to build a career, build a family, you know, things that I want. I'm tired of putting other people first. It's just something that we as women, we tend to do a lot. We put others before us, whether it's our children, our spouses, our other family members, and we sometimes forget to take care of ourselves. So I'm trying to get into that mindset where my happiness and my health absolutely matter most. I mean, I'm not going to neglect anyone that I love in my life. I'm not going to neglect them, but I need to make sure that I have time and energy for myself as well, because I can't be the last person on my list anymore. I've seen what happens when I do that. So Renee's got to come first, y'all. Renee's got to come first, and you got to come first too. Don't forget about you. All right, let me stop talking and get this finished, because like I said, I've been doing this forever and I'm getting tired. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day. I'm still doing my hair, so we can move this up. I'm still doing it. It's almost done now. But doing this on your own, it is slightly difficult, but it's not impossible. You just have to have the patience and a ton of mirrors. Let's talk about this product. I wanted to come in and quickly review it. I friggin' love this. This is amazing. A little definitely goes a long way. It smells wonderful. It's not overpowering. It's like a tiny little hint of coconut. The hold is strong. That's why I'm saying a little goes a long way. If you put too much in your hair, like I did towards the back, those twists are slightly stiffer than I would like to, but that is because of this gel. And the main reason that I picked this one out over the others was the very first ingredient is water, and I'm trying to stick to water-based products. It also has castor oil and coconut oil, so if you're a fan of those two oils, you know, you're set. So I typically don't style my starter locks, but let's see what we can do. I'm just gently taking these and just kind of twirling them around each other like so, and just bringing them towards the back. Okay, let's see if I can bring, I'm doing the same with the side here. I'm just taking these two and I'm just kind of twirling them around. This is what I was talking about earlier, why I think styling locks is so easy and versatile, because you don't got to do much. I mean, the pattern of the lock itself is the style, and then you just got to twist them or braid them into a design, and they come out really nice. It looks okay. I just got to fix it up a little bit. What do you guys think? I think it looks all right, you know. I'm just heading to the gym. I'm not going anywhere special. So I think this is good enough for the gym. I think I'm done messing with it. It's not pulling at all. It's pretty loose, although it doesn't look it. But that's decent enough. I'm happy with it, y'all. That's the fun about doing your own hair too. You get to play around with it. Anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up, get this mess of my bathroom cleaned up, and I will talk to y'all later.